Guys, and welcome back to King and Queen channel. And today, when our videos in this big thumbs up, subscribe because please subscribe so
This
you
is
can
gonna be awesome
because then only you can be the coolest fam on YouTube.
Yeah, I want to like.
Okay, and today is raining, and today we don't have any connection to see YouTube or
Roblox.
yeah, or Among Us.
Yeah.
Or Fortnite.
Yeah, we always play Fortnite. Let's go.
Okay, let me show you the rain out here. Oh my god, guys, the rain is so. Check this out. Can you get a kid sound? Yeah.
Oh, you just saw the sound?
Yeah. Check this out. It's raining, guys. Can you see this?
There's a light there, and the light is not.
Can you get your hand off there?
What?
Can you get your hand off?
Oh, that's
Look at this, guys. It's raining out here. And we don't have any connection for YouTube or Roblox or Fortnite or Among Us.
Yeah, we always
Look
play
at a river down there.
Yeah, look at that. There's nothing to get in.
You saw that, guys? Play back and see. Oh my god, did you saw that? That's a lightning.
What?
That's a lightning on the sky.
Yeah.
We don't know what it was that. That time I thought that was a torch. Oh my god, did you hear that sound out
Oh, I saw a little lightning.
there? That was a lightning. Oh my
I'll
god.
just see on the sky and that's a
Look at down there, guys. There's a big pool down there, like in the road.
there, you guys. And there's just a.
There's so many rain, and we couldn't get any connection for any, like YouTube, like Among Us, like Fortnite, like Roblox.
Oh, yeah, I just saw the sound.
You love to play Roblox, but it's not connection because it's raining out here. And lightning! And down it looks like pool. On the road it looks like a pool.
There's nothing to. Oh, you saw the sound?
Yeah, the sunlight.
out here.
So I don't think we can walk on it because if we walk on because the road is so full of water, and if we walk on it, our feet will get so cold and wet. So
Yeah.
this is our video. So thanks for watching, and make sure to thumbs up, subscribe, check.
Yeah, I just want to see it for forever.
Okay, guys, bye.